Samsung is set to launch a new version of its foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition. Early rumors suggest it will feature a slimmer design compared to the original Z Fold 6. This new design features a more pronounced protrusion, aligning with the phone's thinner profile. Users have been anticipating upgraded camera hardware since the Galaxy Z Fold 4 in 2022, and this could be the moment. The side frame in the renders indicates a sleeker look, complete with a textured finish for better grip and a stylish rose gold color option. While the button placements and antenna lines remain consistent with the regular model, there's talk of a less visible display crease and improvement that fans have been hoping for. When folded, the phone is rumored to measure just 10mm thick and 4.9mm when unfolded, a reduction from the previous Z Fold 6's dimensions. It could also feature an 8-inch inner display and a 6.5-inch outer display. Samsung India has already listed the phone on its website with 12GB of RAM and multiple storage options to 156GB, 512GB, and 1TB, hinting at a lightweight and thin design.